Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can utilize the Voicemod voice changing application on your desktop computer to play around with various voices. So let us guide you through this. So launch the Voicemod app on your desktop computer or laptop, log into your account. And there are two ways how you can apply these voices, guys. You can, for example, head over to the voices library in the top left corner, and here simply go through these categories and simply pick your preferred voice to add it to your library. Or alternatively, guys, you create your own soundboard. Let me do that really quickly by clicking into add soundboard here, or you navigate to already created soundboard, and from here click into add, and that is going to give you access to the same voice library I just showed you here. So simply navigate through these voices or sounds and add the one you would like to use by clicking into that plus button. I added this one here for demonstration purposes, so it will be added to your soundboard. And now guys, all it will be needed to do is to simply left click into the given voice you would like to apply. Let me go with that one here. And after that you will see that voice being applied here. So you may switch back to your clean mic or back to your voice and so on and so forth. You may turn off the voice changer here to the left, and you may also turn or enable this feature so that you may hear yourself and your changed voice. And if you'd like to play around with your voice a bit, like for example change the volume, the pitch, etc., simply select the given voice and navigate to its settings in the top right corner. And here guys, change the pitch, for example, by moving that slider to the left or to the right, and that's how it works, guys. So if you'd like to stop this, simply switch back to your clean mic or turn off the voice changer in general. So that's how it works, guys, as you can see. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.